So now that we've explored line as a formal element of art, we're now going to start to explore shape. And we've got 4 very different examples here. We're just going to start off in the top box, and this is quite a modern, simplistic shape that we're going to start off with. But we're going to use quite an exciting technique. It is called Scraffito, and it looks a little bit graffiti-ish. It is a very old technique. So just to start off with, I'll show you an example that I've done, just so you know where we're heading. And it looks like this. It's a technique where you scrape into the different layers to reveal different colours. So just to start off with, we're actually going to get our colours, and we're going to use colour pencils to do that. I'm going to start off with the big main shape. I'll zoom in so that you can see what I'm doing. There we go. So I'm just going to start off with this big main shape, and I'm going to press lightly with my pencil first of all, just so that I can sketch out the shape. You can rub colour pencil out if you do it light enough, but you shouldn't have to if you're being nice and sketchy with it. And again, we're trying to be as accurate as we possibly can. We're always trying to be as accurate as we possibly can. So I think that looks about right. Now, all of this, I'm just going to layer yellow. I'm going to stay inside the box and show control. And I'm just wrapping those shading lines around that circular shape. So towards the part that I know is going to be scraped back and revealed, I'm going to press harder with my colour pencil just to get a bit of as much as I can of a vibrant colour. So it doesn't have to be too neat. There we go, I think I'm happy with that for now. Just correcting that shape. So the next colour we've got this sort of wiggly line here, which is like the icing of the donut. So I'm going to pick up a pink. I quite like this one. And I would say the icing comes into the donut about that far. So I'm just going to add that colour in. I don't need to do the wiggly line because I can do the wiggly line when I scrape it back. So again, I'm pressing with a little bit of pressure because when I scrape that black colour that I'm going to put over the top, when I scrape that back, I want to be revealing vibrant colour. So there we go. Now I can see that this is the same colour, so I need to put this here in the centre. Just like that. And now I'm making my line bigger than this one, because once you put the black over the top, you're not going to be able to see anything. So I need it to be a little bit bigger, so that when I scrape it back, I do actually find that pink, because it's going to be difficult when that black's over. Now I'm just going to do some random different colours. Dot it about. What else have we got? A little bit of red. And a little bit of green in places. There we go. Right. So the next bit is where we need to be as controlled as we possibly can. It is quite tricky, this. And I'm just looking for a black oil pastel. I'm not sure where I've put it.